we got a 2024 Subaru Crosstrek key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace your battery if you need to. So flip it over. There's a silver button in here. We're going to press and hold down with our thumb, and then you're going to remove the emergency key. Now see the slot the key came out of? It's this one right here. We're not going to use that slot. We're going to use the slot right below it, right here with a flathead screwdriver. And we're going to put this in here. It's going to barely go in, and we're going to give it a twist. And you're going to twist it counterclockwise, and you notice how it popped this piece of open or up right here on the corner. Okay, this prevents you from going at the sides here and damaging your remote. You can do the little bit of damage right here. That's what it's made for, where you can't see it because the key would be hiding it. So we're just going to pop the rest of it up, and that's going to expose the battery. All right, so then we just, with this small flathead screwdriver, come at the bottom of it, just pop it up like that, and it'll just fall right out. Now the battery size is a CR2032 battery. If you need one of these, I'll have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up 2 for like $4. It's a pretty good deal, and you know everyone uses Amazon, so take a look at that if you need the battery. And we're going to put the new one in just like this. We're going to put it in the top first and click it down like that. And we just get the cover, stick it back on, press it on, you hear it click and lock just like that. Now your key, your emergency key that opens your driver's door, should just go right back in, lock, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, or even leave me a comment. That would be great. And I hope to see you again in another Subaru video.